Hi guys, welcome to your channel Stock Market. Today we will discuss about a company which has very good potential in the future, and we will see the fundamentals and financials also. Without wasting the time, let's start the video. This is an certifying authority company involved in issuing digital signature certificates. The company is licensed by the Controller of Certifying Authorities, Ministry of Information Technology, and operates under the guidelines set by the Information Technology. This is the largest certifying authority in India. So the market cap of this company is 2,500 crores and ROC is 29.5%, ROE is 31.7%. Now it's trading around 300 rupees. Let's see the financials also. Let's see the sales of this company. In March 2019, it has done 102 crores. In March 2020, it has done 116 crores. In 2021, it has done 132 crores. In 2022, that is last year, it has done 183 crores sales. So its profit is 22 crores in 2019, in 2020 23 crores and 31 crores in 2021, and in the last year 2022 it has done 50 crores profit. So its sales and profits are increasing year to year. The company's reserves is 320 crores and borrowings is only 31 crores. So we will see the shareholding pattern. It has a good shareholding pattern. Promoters 61.03%, FIIs 4.24%, DIIs 10.53%, and public has 24.22%. The shareholding pattern is also good. So the name of the company is eMudra. eMudra is a unique business, and we can also say that it is a necessity business. So one can consider eMudra, which has a very good potential in future, and it can become multi-bagger stock also. So you can consider eMudra for buying also. So let's meet on the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care.